Hi, Ray Hayden here, and I got to talk fast because it's bug time, and the bugs are on me already like nobody's business. There, I've swatted them away from my face already. Let's get into it. This is the Toro Z-Master 3000 series commercial grade zero-turn mower, and this is the one that I talk about a couple of times in a couple of videos, and I needed to install the blades back on there. I had taken the blades off, but I needed to use my mower to drive around the property and use my cart, the Polar cart. That's that 22 cubic foot cart that I have, and I'll talk about that in a future video when there's less bugs. Now here's the deal. Because I had to drive around the property and I'm going to be kicking up dirt and things of that nature, I wanted to make sure that that I didn't get dirt up into the holes where the bolt goes. So what I did was I put the bolts back in place to keep the dirt out. So kind of like a dust cover, use the bolt itself, right? But best thing is the thing you already have in place. So I did that, but I had to, of course, take the bolts back out. But what I did was I washed and cleaned the bolts off, made sure they're nice and clean, no grit, no dirt, no grime. Then I put a thin coat of oil on the bolt. Now I'm telling you this because you're not going to see that part in the video that you're about to see. All you're going to see is me going about my business, and I don't really talk about it, I just go about my business. Then what you're going to see is me holding the blade, hand tightening the bolt until it's in place. Then I use the impact wrench to basically seat the bolt in place. You'll hear it go rat-a-tat-tat kind of thing. I will lower the volume so that's not too loud for you. So you don't have to adjust your volume. I will already do that for you. So you can just let the volume roll. So with that, I changed the 3 blades, and then I adjusted the 3rd blade so that it was in the same positional rotation as the other 2 blades. Just, I like things to be equal and even and kind of stuff like that. Imagine that, right? So anyways, before these bugs carry me away, let's get to the video. And until I catch you in the next one, take care and be well.